Do you still remember the last time you had a blast? To have a blast. To have a blast. It means to have a good time. To have a good time, to have a blast. Let's have an example. We had a blast last night at Philip's birthday party. It was fun. Again, we had a blast last night at Philip's birthday party. It was fun. Always use have a blast, had a blast, or you can also use I'm having a blast right now. For example, did you have a blast when you went to Disneyland? Did you have a blast when you went to Disneyland? One more example. I'm always having a blast when I am with Jenny. She is a good companion. Again, I'm always having a blast when I'm with Jenny. She's a very good companion. That's all for today, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!